Hi YouTube, it's NEESYRAYCHELLE and I'm back at you with another video. So today's video is going to be an about my hair video. So if you've been watching my videos, y'all know I'm natural completely. And before you even go crazy, no, I did not relax my hair, but I did get it straightened. So this is day 3 of my hair being straightened. My hair is naturally dry, so no matter how much oil I put in it, it still kind of looks dry. So my hair drinks oil like crazy. But I got my hair done at Lash Tag Spa, and it is in Jacksonville, Florida. So if you're in the area, they do have a hairstylist, and I do work there. I do lashes there. So redid my hair, and she did an amazing job. I feel like she actually cared about my hair. So with that being said, she didn't damage my hair in the process, and I feel like if I was to wash my hair today, it would go back to its natural state. I'm super happy with the results. My hair has grown so much in the last 3 years. So you all don't know this, but 3 years ago, I shaved my head completely. I went for the biggest chop that you could ever do. And I did this because I got my hair done. It was colored. I got it straightened. And you know, when you get your hair straight, when you get your hair straightened and you're natural, the slightest bit of humidity makes your hair frizz up. So me not wanting frizzy hair, I kept going over it and over it and over it again with the flat iron, which was the worst mistake of my life. Luckily, I'm not the type of person to care too much about my hair, so I didn't mind cutting my hair. I really want to cut my hair right now, but I'm trying to just let it grow and do its own thing at this point. So when I damaged my hair myself, because my stylist didn't do it, it was me, I end up having to cut all my hair off and start over. And this is it for me starting over. So I'm going to turn. This is my hair now. This is the length of it. And I'm going to enter in some clips of what my hair looked like before. You know, I've wrapped it 2-3 nights in a row. It had so much body, so many curls, and I couldn't believe that my hair looked like that in the end. Now, is this something that I'm going to be doing often? No, I don't like to put too much heat on my hair. I haven't put heat on my hair since I got it done. So it's something that every once in a while I'll do, but not too often. I do live in Florida. The humidity here is high, and I don't want to be trying to re-straighten my hair every day because it's not the same that it was. Now, she did not cut any layers or anything in my hair. This is just how my hair naturally grows. But oh my gosh, y'all, it was just so pretty when she first did it. So that's it. That's my hair. I love the straighten look, but I can't wait to get back to my fro. I feel like this is too much maintenance for me. Like, I don't like having to wrap my hair every night, putting all these scarves on. Like, usually I take my shower, I get into bed and go to sleep. My hair is natural. Most of the time I just wear a puff. I haven't been doing my twist outs a lot lately. I've been real lazy, so not really something I've been doing, but I gotta get back to it. As far as wearing a scarf, I have satin pillowcases. I don't need a scarf. I choose not to wear a scarf. That's why I bought those pillowcases, so I don't have to wear a scarf. And I don't know, that's it. I just wanted to show y'all my hair and tell y'all how I felt about it. Again, it's about 3 days old. I got it done on Saturday. So yeah, Monday, today make 3 days. So that's it, guys. I just want to come in. If you have any more questions about my hair, how am I keeping it straight, and you know, whether my hair is reverting back to curly, just list them down below in the comment box. I'll answer them individually. If there are too many questions about my hair and my hair care, I will make a video. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate all the love. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. And all my social media pages are listed below, so please follow and keep up with me on a daily basis.